I think technology in the classroom can make the experience of learning very different in terms of what students are learning, how they also understanding the new knowledge, the old knowledge, and also it permits to have a different relation between the professor and the students. Traditionally, we used to use case studies, or go to the books, and that's okay. That's how we learn. However, simulation helps us to put all that knowledge in a dynamic model, in a way that the students can take decisions, can see the consequences of that decisions, and also understand temporality, causal relationships, complex models, and the complexities also of understanding the reality. I think simulation helps to understand more complex topics. It's also a very strong tool to keep the attention of the students in these topics, and also help us to train them to take decisions with pressure. So I think that simulations are the excellent complement for technology, but also for the traditional education model. I think that we need to understand that technology, again, it's changing the way that we relate. And this technology, our first contact with this technology are mobile devices. So when you are doing a simulation using a mobile device, you are also doing a simulation of how the students are going to tackle the challenge during their professional careers. So by training them to use the iPhone, the cell phone, the Android, all these devices for one purpose and specifically with one academic goal, you also are helping to diminish the barriers between the mobile device and all their potentiality and the way the students are using it. Because normally students use the mobile device to communicate, for social media, maybe taking some pictures. But with these simulations in mobile devices, you transform the device into a tool. And the students are learning also to use that for academic purposes.